Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm gonna specifically talk about how to find the design ideas that sell on Redbubble or any other print-on-demand website. So we're gonna cover the ways in which you can find out the niches, in which you can find out the designs that are actually selling on this platform, and you can hop upon right now on this platform and can start making your own print-on-demand designs and start making money online. So I'm gonna cover all these designs that are selling well on the platform, and we're gonna go into the niche ideas which you can hop on right now and how you can make these designs and all about it guys. So if you're interested in that, then let's get started with today's video guys, and also don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate that guys, and subscribe to my channel so whenever we upload more such videos guys, you'll be get notified about it. And I hop onto my laptop and I'm gonna show you exactly what are those designs and everything about it. So let's get started with that.
Currently right now on the Redbubble, you can see very well I've already typed onto the Redbubble in the search engine as a t-shirt, because we are just looking for the t-shirt design, or even if you are looking for any sticker based design ideas, then you can just type the sticker, whatever one you want to type it guys, whatever product you want, you're interested in looking for. But we are since looking for t-shirts, so that's why I have searched for the t-shirt, but it's depend on you guys. Okay guys, so on the first page on the itself of the Redbubble, you can see what designs are selling on the platform and what's unique about these designs that they are searching so well onto the Redbubble, that they are best sellers, and how we can take an advantage of these ideas, these design ideas, and can make our own designs out of these ideas without copying anyone, without putting our store for any copyright strike or any trademark notice, anything like that, keeping our design safe but still seeing what's unique about these designs. So let's take a look guys. So here I can see there are the various different designs. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the one idea guys that I was really interested when I was looking for, because you can see that they have combined the lunar fruit. That means they have combined the two different niches together. That is the lunar, that is the planet or universe based design, with the fruit. So when people are looking for the fruit, or if they are looking for the planet or universe based design, then this design will going to pop up, because they have combined these two designs together. They have bridged the gap between these two niches, so they are getting this advantage of getting searchable for these two particular keywords, which are quite competitive, because if you are actually targeting the fruit niches, and it's quite competitive, same for the universe. So you can take an idea guys based on this particular design, that how they have done it. So let me give you an example. Depending on this particular niche design or this particular design idea, we can combine an earth with another fruit. That like we can combine an earth with a lemon fruit, or with banana fruit, or we can combine it with some other fruit, and we can create a variation of this design, because we can see that this design is selling. It's a bestseller, so that's why it's ranking on the first page of the Redbubble. And we can see that why this design is so unique, that is on the first page on the Redbubble, because they have combined the two different niches together. They have bridged the gap between the planet and the orange, like the planet and the fruit. So that is a unique design idea, like for the person who are looking for a planet, who is an astronaut or interested in universe based design, and seeing that fruit is also combined with this, that means it's a unique design. This is a quality based design. So this is one idea guys you can pick up from this design, and can make your own quality based, highly niche, and literally amazing idea, amazing design around this idea. Another thing that I can see from this design guys, now since the Valentine Day is around the corner, like it's almost February is about to there, so that's why this design is on the top of the first page, because people are purchasing from their Valentine. So this is like they have combined the skeleton together with the lovers. So they have combined the human skeleton niche with the lovers, that is the Valentine niche. We can also combine these two things. Like one of the most common thing, we can combine the two different types of animals seen as a couple, and so we can target the animal niche along with that the lovers niche. So this is a kind of a variation combination, and we can see that why this design is there on the first page of the Redbubble. And also guys, it's a trending based design because people are actually looking for Valentine based design whenever the Valentine is coming. So this is a trending based design and not that much evergreen, but the planet with the fruit is like an evergreen based design, guys. Let me look for some other design ideas. Okay, here guys, they have combined the musical instrument, that is the guitar, with the nature. So that is a really an awesome idea. You can also do it the same way. Like you can combine a one musical instrument with any natural scenery. So they have combined with the like it's like the trees and something like a scenery type of. You can combine the different piano with the water or piano with the beach, so we can combine these two niches together. That is the nature niche with the musical instrument based niche. So it's also an amazing idea because people are actually purchasing this design, so it is more likely they're going to purchase our design as well. And it's a unique base ideas, and it's a kind of like an evergreen idea because this people will be looking for 24/7 for this particular design idea. Let me see some other design, because if you are not looking for targeting this particular type of design, then I'm going to see some other design that we can hop up right now and can create design for ourselves. Okay guys, here again, this is an amazing idea guys. They have combined the dinosaur, that is the animal niche design, with the books, that is an author page related design. This is really an awesome idea guys. This design is really high quality as well and quite unique because they have combined the books with the dinosaur. You can also do the same thing guys, like you can combine any animal with another dish. Like you can combine the something like an octopus playing the piano, so you can combine the octopus with the piano. So you have combined these two niches together, that is the octopus with the musical instrument. So those people who are looking for octopus or marine based animal niches and those who are looking for the musical instrument niches will likely going to encounter with your design as well. So this is an idea guys. You can see what's there on the first page on the any print on demand websites. Even if you're looking on the Amazon or Etsy or any other print on demand websites, you can just go onto them and can see literally what's there on the first page, what's selling on their first page. And when we are seeing that this is the thing that are selling on the first page, and when we actually look for that design and see what's unique about that design, why it's ranking on the first page on the that particular search engine, what is unique about it, when we can literally go into that and see that okay, this is the reason why it's so unique, because they have combined these two niches. They have bridged the gap between the two niches, and they have bridged the gap so nicely that it is producing a good quality based design and people are more interested in buying that. So that's why it is the best sellers, ranking first on the Redbubble. So that is the way to pick up the unique design ideas and also high quality based design. And also you can take it as a trending niche as well. Suppose it's time of a Valentine, so you can see the lovers based design is trending right now. So you can, if you want to go with the trending niches, then you can go with that as well. If you want to target with the evergreen, then these type of ideas are specifically for the evergreen based idea. Another thing, let's see what's there guys. Okay, enchanting vinyl records. Let me see some other design idea related to some different niche, not animal and all that. Let me see some other. Okay guys, one thing I also want to tell you that if you are targeting the text-based design and if you are making more of the text-based design, that I have an amazing idea. You can see, you can take an idea from this design as well while searching on the first page on the Redbubble, because they have combined the human with this background text. Like you can take a text-based design and change its background to something else. Like, suppose for example you're taking font as a water or text-based design as a water coach or something like that, then you can in the background of the text you can put the water itself, and then you can make a design around it. So that is a really a unique text-based design idea. You are combining the two different niches together, that is the water and the text-based design. So it's really awesome way guys. You can be creative with that. You can just see what's selling, what's there on the first page, and can take an idea and can create a unique combination of the two different niches and kind of like merging the gap between these two and creating a unique idea based design that will really going to sell on this platform guys. Now let me see something else. Okay, so here it's a princess glass. Let's go. Okay. So here you can see Let's Go. They have combined the Let's Go text-based design with the nature niche, which is really awesome. How they have used the design over here. This is really high quality based design, guys. You can see very well they have used a transparent PNG background and how well they have optimized for this t-shirt. So you can also do the same thing. You can combine one coat with the nature, with the scenery, with some other dog niches or pet niches or anything like that, and can just play around with the idea, guys, because it's just all about that thing only. One thing I see that in the very beginning I came across was design which I really wanna talk about it. Yeah, this is what the design, guys. You can see the monkey with the headphones listening to the music. You can see that they have combined the animal with the music niche. It's looking quite awesome, guys. You can also do the same thing. You can combine the dog niche with any musical instrument or with any headphones or anything like that, and can just playing the music and using that music tones sticker, like music tones symbols to picturize the music with the animal niche. Like you can be creative with that, and you can change the colors. They have used the black. You can you can make it as a colorful as well, guys, but play around with the ideas. So this is the one way to see actually what's how to combine, how to utilize these two ideas together. This is also an amazing idea, guys. You can see that the astronaut has been combined with the planets. Here we can be creative as well. We can combine a normal animal, not an astronaut, but normal animal having this type of a string, and on top of that attach the different planets. You can combine with the animal with the astronaut based design. Like you can be creative with it, guys, because it's really fun to see the it's really fun to actually research the design ideas. Obviously at times it is just so much time consuming, but it's really fun because if you actually look and take a mean at these designs, that why they are selling on this platform, you're gonna able to know why they are selling, because there is something unique about these designs. So that's why they are selling so well onto the Redbubble, or even if you're looking for any other print on demand platform. So this is the way you can do your research, guys, and this is the way I also do research at the time. This is one of the way to do the research to find the design ideas that are actually selling, the designs that are actually selling on the platform, and you can hop up on right now and can make a design around it, because these are the designs that are selling well, and these sell well because they are on the first page on the Redbubble. So this is one of the way that I actually do my research. There, although there are many different ways in which you can research it and you can come up with the idea, this is one of the way that I do it. So I hope that you find this video useful, and please let me know in the comment section below, guys, what are your ways of researching for design ideas, for niche ideas. What is your way, how you do your research? Let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna talk about it, and let's see, we can combine and mix our ideas together and can create a unique niche with it and all that. So let me know in the comment section below, guys.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's videos. Let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.